Welcome back, guys. I am Agnes and this is my channel Tuttu's Toy Lab. I have a really cool review for today. I have the Surprise Slimygloop Mixems. It comes with 16 packs of slimes. I bought this from Costco. Guys, see the purple and pink? I think it's for girls, but I still can do a review. The slime is already made in the containers and we can mix, play, and it's for ages 6 or more. There are 16 containers of ready-made slimes, 6 ingredients that we can add into the slime, and 8 mystery collectibles included in one of these 8 containers of slime. When we open 8 of them, we might get some mystery collectibles. Let's open and feel some slime. I opened it and this is all what's inside. We have 16 slimes. We have these ingredients we can add to the slime and the pom-poms. Let's take everything out of the box and test each slime. Let's test all 16 slimes. Let's start with this green one. It has a stretchy texture to it. Whoa. It pops not that well. It popped really well now. I changed my mind. Let's move on to the second one. This pink one. Ooh. It also has it's a glitter pink one. It has a pokey texture to it. And then it has glitter. Pink or purple glitter. And it also doesn't pop that well, but I can still stick with it. Also has a really stretchy texture. Whoa. Let's move on to the next one. Ooh, this orange one looks pretty cool. Oh, first of all, I thought that was green, but it's yellow. Cool, it's orange. It's orange slime with yellow and orange glitter. Has a more stretchy texture. Let me see the popping, like the pink one. Whoa. Now let's do this gold one. Oh God, it's sticking to the cap. This is really glittery. How much glitter did they add in this? It stretches really far. It pops. Next one. The next slime is this silver one here. Ooh. Cool. It also feels pretty cold. Whoa. Let's do this red one. Looks pretty cool. It's awesome. I really like the red color and the red color and the red and green glitters in it. It's almost like Christmas slime. Woo! This is very big. It pops well. And it almost looks like cotton candy. Next one is this light blue one. It looks pretty cool. This light blue with some light green on it, or is it dark green? Yeah, it's actually both. And yellow. It doesn't do popping much well. Let's move on to the next one. This bluish one. Whoa. I feel like this crunchiness right there, which feels like they added a bit too much glitter, and the crunchiness became more and more crunchiness. Is that what we call it? Whoa. Whoa. Doesn't go that well, it's still hard. Woohoo! Let's move on to the next one. This brownish red one. As the red and green also? Cool. Same like this red one. Brown and red. Cool. Woohoo! It's pretty awesome. Just before I put it away, I felt something hard in this. Let me check. Ooh, what's this? Cool. What is this? Wait, this is a collectible. Awesome, it's a scorpion. This is the scorpion. It has a bunch of slime on it. Looks pretty cool. Now let me try this blue one. Guys, I feel something. I think it's glow in the dark. Wow, I think it's an alien. It's an alien doing a peace sign. Whoa, awesome. This is the alien. It looks awesome. I think it's glow in the dark because it's like this light green. And I feel like every light green stuff is glow in the dark. So let's put this aside. Let's do this dark purple. Ooh, this one doesn't have anything. Pops really well. It's hard too. This is the purple one. It stretches really well. Now let's do, ooh, what about this blue one right here? I felt something. It's pink. It's an ice cream. This is the ice cream. And it looks like a chocolate ice cream. And this was the slime it came in with. This dark blue almost looks like that. Pretty cool. Popped really well. So the next one I'm gonna do is this dark green one. I think I just felt something. Ooh, what's this? Oh, it's a smiley face ball, I think. This is the smiley face. Yeah, it shows his teeth. And this is the slime it came in with. Let's keep this over here. So hard because it's a ball. And it stretches amazing. Now let's do like this purple-ish one. Wait, what's this? Looks like a floaty. Oh, cool! It's a donut. It's a donut. Is the slime it came with. This pretty purple. Ooh, which one should I do out of these three? This yellow one. I've been seeing these yellow. I've been staring at this yellow one for days. Something's really hard in this. And it's also yellow. It's a T-Rex. Looks like it. Yeah, it's a T-Rex. I And here's the slime canvas also. Matches the pretty same color. Can't see. Let's put this aside. This slime stretches away, not that far. Ooh, I really love the clear slime, so I want to do it last. Let's make this one. Hey, wait a minute. This looks like something I already felt. Nah, those are purple. And there's also something in here. It's a pizza! Pizza! Pepperoni pizza. It's a cute little pizza. And here's the slime canvas. Keep this on the side. This one stretches really far. Almost the size of my work table. It's so far, I have to do it double the times. But not least, your favorite, the clear slime. Whoa. I don't see anything. Oop. I do. It's this unicorn thing right here. It's a unicorn. This is the unicorn and this is the white slime. I mean clear slime. This is see-through. It is see-through. Awesome. Guys, this is see-through. Cool. Isn't that cool? Bring it up. I made a little peacock. Let me see how far it stretches. Let me see. Okay, let me put it in my face. Okay. How far can it exactly stretch? It can stretch at least that far now. See? And then that's all of them. These are the collectibles I got. We have a unicorn, a pizza, a dinosaur, could either be a T-Rex or a velociraptor, a donut, a smiley face, scorpion, glow-in-the-dark alien, and ice cream. So before I took the video, I mixed up all of these slimes 2 times. It looks pretty cool. It has a rainbow-ish texture. I finished with my first slime. They didn't come with an extra container, so I had one big container right here. Plop and ready. Next one, let me do with this white slime. Sprinkle some of these. Oopsies, that's a little too much. Let's add some of these. Let's add some stars. It's looking pretty good. Let's add some more of these. There we go. What about this? This is gonna be one pretty slime. Never mind, I'm just gonna do this. Whoa. Now I'm gonna start mixing. You're going everywhere. Oh, never mind. This is the slime. Slime number 1. Whoa, this looks awesome. I added, it's like a rainbow. It's so cool, right? What happens if we pop? Boop, boop. How do you like my green combination? It has a lot of golden stars. We put all the ingredients together in all the slimes. There they are. Don't they look amazing? I kind of put pom-poms on all of them except this blue one. It looks better without it. This red one, I kind of added too much stars and these holographic things. I added 2 in this one so it can look a bit better. This green one, I already touched. I tried to get it there, under. Which one is my favorite? This one or this one? I'll stick with the red one because it's my favorite color. Comment down below which one's your favorite of all of these 16. I like to play with slime and mix them. What do you like to play with slime with? If you like my slime video, smash that like button and subscribe. Bye!